Today, OpenAI released the O3 Mini and O3 Mini High models, completely skipping over O2 and O3. Mini High may be the first LLM to ever smoke that good stuff, and I'm personally waiting for O3 Medium Rare. According to benchmarks released by OpenAI, the O3 model has significantly higher capabilities than both DeepSeek R1 or OpenAI's O1. Today is January 31st, 2025, and welcome to My Tech News. The O3 model is the latest in the O model series, which are trained with large-scale reinforcement learning to reason using chain of thought. Multiple benchmarks were showcased today showing O3 Mini outperform 4.0 and O1 in things like capture the flag, expert preferences, coding and interview questions, and real-world software problems. However, it's not yet clear if we'll be able to see its internal monologues swear like DeepSeek R1. O3 Mini delivers responses 24% faster than O1 Mini, with an average response time of 7.7 seconds. Pro users will have unlimited access to O3 Mini, and it appears that the O3 Mini High model is locked behind paid plans only. Free tier users will presumably have the same rate limits that 4.0 had. Initial results are pretty promising, with X users already testing out the infamous bouncing ball in square test, and a Japanese user creating block breaker in 48 seconds flat. Sadly, I just tried O3 Mini and it still can't solve the Riemann hypothesis for me. To try it out as a free user, all you have to do is click on the reasoning button with the light bulb and you'll automatically use O3 Mini. On the cost front, the price per 1 million tokens is 13 times cheaper than O1 and 2 times cheaper than 4.0. And now that it's been out for a grand total of 1 hour, is it just me or is O3 Mini getting dumber? In other news, Trump's quest for Greenland is looking less like a joke and more like a big handout for the tech companies that backed him during the election. Multiple reports released this week indicate Trump's most prominent financial benefactors have long been pursuing opportunities in the Arctic nation. In 2019, Trump's ambassador to Denmark and Greenland visited a major rare earth mining project shortly before Trump's first calls to buy the country. Coincidentally, this was also when Trump found out that Lego is a Danish company. Eventually, opposition in Greenland halted the mine and banned all future oil development. Tech titans like Mark Zuckerberg and Jeff Bezos are investors in a startup aiming to mine Western Greenland for materials crucial to the AI boom. Cobalt Metals uses AI to locate and extract rare earth metals. In the latest funding round, Cobalt Metals raised $537 million, and among the contributors was a venture capital firm founded by Mark Andreessen, aka Egg Guy, who has been consulting with Trump's Department of Government Efficiency as a self-proclaimed unpaid intern. Andreessen has also backed other ventures eyeing Greenland. He is a primary investor in Praxis Nation, which wants to use Greenland as a crypto state. Only tech billionaires would use the plot of BioShock as an instruction manual. Peter Thiel, another tech billionaire famous for wanting to inject himself with young people's blood, is also funding this in part through his venture capital group Honomos Capital. On Monday, Praxis's official X account bragged about a new post-state in the far north. A recent poll found that only 6% of Greenland's residents want to join the US, and 100% found Donald Trump Jr. extremely cringe. Thanks for listening to My Tech News. Have a good one, and stay frosty.